Still under PSSD N1. PSSD N1 figure 6. Let's read the correction of figure 6. So we are given two views. We're convinced that this is the top, this is the front. So figure 6. What was the question for figure 6? So this are the question for figure 6. Draw figure 6 diagram sheet 2 attached shows the few shows two views of a what of a of the rectangle transmission piece, which means it's a rectangle joined with a rectangle. The transmission piece will be fitted on a furniture manufacturing factory. So you have to draw this according to scale 1:2. So draw the following. Draw the two given views. You'll be given 3 marks. Then you draw the pattern. Let me zoom it out. So you draw the pattern of the plate to manufacture the transmission piece. Open the pattern on the line marked AA. So I'm in XX. So XX is the joint. So we have to draw this according to a scale 1:2. So 1:2. So the very first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna draw the given view then. So which is this one, using a scale of 1:2. So now let's start. So I decide to start here. So bottom part of my drawing sheet, so that I have enough space for my development, right? So I decide to start here. So I draw a faint line, then I draw a vertical faint line against this one, so the line that is perpendicular, if I may say, like that. So using a scale 1:2, you remember very well. So now I am going to record this dimension, which is 100 divided by 2, which is giving us 50. So because of the center, I'll also say 50 divided by 2, so that from here till here, 25, from here till here, 25 millimeter. So that because of the what of the center, so that I also accommodate the center. So from here I now record from here till there is 50 and 25. Understand? 50 and 25. So there by 25, which is this one, there by 25, I can now put the horizontal, faint the horizontal, the vertical center line, which is this one. Which is this one. To position the camera very well for you clearly. Then from there I'll have this one faint as well. So remember, we are here at figure 6. Figure 6. So now we are told that from here till here is 120 millimeter. So I'm going to say 120 divided by 4 now, so that I get the center ones. So I open my drawing compass, or even if I don't open it, so the 30 that I see there is going to be the center, you understand, because the scale 1:2, isn't it? So I just divide it by 4 so that I get the center as well. So the 30 is the center, then the 60 is the one that is the answer if you are saying 120 divided by 2. Then from there, this is the center, then the faint line. Drawing the front view, then now we are told from here till here is what is this is 60. So 60 divided by 2, so I'll is 30. Then 30 divided by 2 is, so it's good as if I can just say 60 divided by 4. Understand? So it's 15. So from here till here 15, from there till the 15. Do it, so I just put it at 15. And 30, I just draw from 30 to 0. So so that from here till here is what is 30 millimeter. So now I can, which one is this one? It's the horizontal one. So it's going to be dark from here till there, dark from here till there. So which means I can draw it faint for now. Faint for now. So remember, which one is this one? Which one is this one? From here till here is 100, isn't it? Then how about from here till here? We haven't got it. From here till here we haven't got it. So which means this one I cannot draw it dark yet. Okay. So I can erase it a bit for now. Then now we are told from here till here is 120 millimeter, which is which one? From here till here I can now draw it dark. From here till there, and from here till there dark. So again, from here till there dark, from here till here dark, from here till here hidden. So which means from here till here hidden, from here till there hidden as well, and from here till the dark hidden. So we were correct by drawing this one dark. So indeed it's dark. Draw it back dark. This is what we have. So from here till here is this one, from here till here. So now we have to get this one from here till there, from here till there. So how are we going to get that? Remember that this one is tally with this one tally with this, which means in other ways we were supposed to be given a dimension from here till there. Thereby our top view, as far as I am concerned, we were supposed to be given that dimension there. If from here till here is 100, which is this one, and from here till here is 120, and from here till here is shorter than from here till here, you understand? So now I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to do it like this so that I get this distance from here till here. So I know that it is equal to this one. From here till here is the same as from here till here. From here till here is the same as from here till here. Since we are not properly provided that dimension. So I'm going to place my drawing compass here. Further extend it to the center, which is this one. Then I come and mark this side, and again I place it here, further to the center. This one I come and mark this side. Because this range, they seems to be equal. From here till here, the same as from here till there. From here till there, it's the same as from here till there. Since we are not provided with the proper dimension up there by your front view. So there by your front view are only given the height. So now I can have this one solid from here till there, solid, and this one take it up just a little bit, and from here till there, solid. So that now you can take your 30mm ruler, there you have, then there you go, and like this you can have it as well, there you go, and there you go, which are these ones. So now you can come back to have this one so it's straight away, there you go, and straight like this we go. So what happened here, supposed to be straight. So now we can say we are done with we are having a solid line from here till there. We've got X here and X here, which is, they said it's our joint. So we can say we are done with the top view. So now let's draw the front view. So from here till here, we follow the orthographic projection law, which says separate your views with 20mm, not any dimension less than that. Then now I have this one, faint. So now from here till here I can draw it dark, which is this one, from here till there. Now I can consider the height. Which is 106mm divided by 2, 106 divided by 2, getting 53. So 53mm is your height. 54, 53 is this one. So I mark there. 53mm is your height, which is this one. I can put my faint line there. So now I can have this one dark, there you go, and this one dark, there we go, and have it like this. Supposed to overlap to show what it's a center line. You understand? To show what it's a center line. So we are done with our given views. So now let's number our points. So I'll decide to have an A here, and a B, and a C, and a D. So which means my A there by my front view is like this, then the D in line with D, and a B here in my front view. So the B is going to be in line with what? With C. C right there. So I'm going to have point 1 here in line with point 2 in terms of their horizontalness, 3 and 4. That's all. So now let's get the development then. So we have to get true length. So first I am going to place my drawing compass here, further extend to this line. This is it. From here till there. Then there you go. Faint, indicate by an arrow that I got this arc going up like this. Then from there, what do? You take this take this one up. There you go. So I call this point my median point. Understand, of all the points that I'm about to get. Then from there, project this one just a little bit. Then from there, so the law is, we know what it says, when we convert this true length from a number to a number, we do not convert to our true length. From an alphabet to an alphabet, we do not convert to our true length. But if we move from a number to an alphabet, that's when we are going to convert. So now let's start. So I wanted this space to fit my development. So this space to fit my development. This one to fit my development. So now I am going to start right opposite to the cutting plane. So which means I'll start at 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and actually not at 2, 3, because the 2, 3 is the upper one. The number, let me number them like this. The 2 is there, the 3 is here, which is the upper. You understand? So then the 1, it should be there, the 4, it should be right there, which is the upper. So I want to start below. So what is below is the alphabetic points. So I'm going to start at BC. BC. Let's go. If I'm saying BC, how? Like this. So from here till here is out of dimension. I do not record any dimension there. It's just a faint line. It's just a faint line. Then now I can decide to say I call this point C. So I can erase a bit here. So now I come to my top view, place my drawing compass at point C, further extend it to B. This is it. Now I come to my development, I get it. This is what this is going to be, point B. So I can draw it dark. I can draw it dark. C, B, I can draw it dark. There is a center of between C and D, just this one, isn't it? This is the center. Let's get it. This is the center. So there by my development site, I am going to explore the center the way as I can see it, going up like this. Then from there, what am I going to do now? I want to get the true height from this center to the center, which means from here till there by our top view, from here till there. So I'm going to place my drawing compass like this from here till there, which is this one. Right, without disturbing your compass, now you are going to come in place. Actually this is R, stand for the reference, then place it at this point R, then you mark it here, then you say this is center to center, understand? Then you project it up to your midden point. Then after you've gotten it like that, place it here, further extend to your midden point. This is it. Now come to your development, you put it at the center to the center. Understand? After you've gotten that point, which means it's that one there by your top view. Understand? So you're gonna go horizontal again. Then you come, you place it now at the center, up, further extended to point 2. Just this one. Remember, it's the same, isn't it? So you come to this point, you place it at the center, you mark here, and you also mark this side. Understand? So there is a C, which means this is going to be 0.3, 3C, which is 3C. Understand? So this side is going to be 0.2, which is 2B, which is 2B. So now I can draw it dark and dark and dark. So we've gotten this for now. So the height of our development. So you can even still graphically get the point, the true distance of 0.2 to C. It will be still the same, or the distance of 3 to B, and they will be equally the same. You understand? So now what we have to get point D. So from C we're gonna move to D, thereby our two views, C to D. So take your drawing compass, place it at C, further extend it to D. So it's alphabet to alphabet, so we are not going to convert to true length, isn't it? So I just come and strike an arc this side. Since I understand that the distance of CD is the same as BC, so which means even this other side I can strike the very same arc, even this side. So make them a little bit long, because you don't know how long are you gonna get that arc there. So now we've gotten the distance from C to D, which is the same as B to A. So you are going to have an imaginary line that it's going to start from point 3, of which is what you have there, isn't it? So 3 to D. So put it like this and like this, and this distance of 3D, it should be the same as 2A. Like this. So which means you can take your drawing compass, you put it at 2, further extend it to point A, which is this one. So, and you know which is the same as B, is the same as 3 to D. So now you convert it, you place it at your point R. There you go, which means you have to further extend this one. So you come to say this point is point A2 as well as D3. So now you take it to your, where's the 30mm ruler now? You take it to your M point. There it is. So now take your drawing compass, place it here, further extend it to point M. We are recording the true distance now, which is this one. Then remember the 3 you have, you are looking for D. So you come, you place it at 3 that you have, you bisect that arc. So you see that they are not bisecting, which means you must come and further extend this one. And you understood Uguti is still the same as 2 to A. 2 of which is what you have, you come, you place it at 2, you bisect that arc. Again, come back to to extend these arcs of yours. So place it here, coming, just extending my arcs. So this is it. In this side, so this is it. So now I can have this one from here. There you go. There you go. So this is going to be C, D. Then there you go. There you go. This is going to be B, A. So you can erase here now. You don't need them. So now you can erase these arcs. Now you don't need them. Don't make them too long that much. So now let's continue. What do we have to get now? We've gotten D, so we are going to place the drawing compass to, we've gotten point what, come back to what, to your top view, to your top view. So we do have point 3, we are looking for point 4 now. We do have C, D, 3. So we are going to use point 3, D to get 4. You understand? So place your drawing compass at point 3 to point 4. And we know that point 3 to 4 is the same as point 2 to 1. You understand? Then now you come to your development side, then you place it at what? At point 3. Then you strike an arc this side, and you also strike an arc this side. To get point 1. Make it a little bit long, which is this one. So now we are going to use what now? To get a, we are going to use, we're going to place the drawing compass at point D, further extended to point 4. D to 4, which is this one. Now without disturbing it, convert it to your true length, which is this one. So this is D4 and is the same as A1. You understand? So don't forget this one. This one is just this arc that you just got. Then you place it here, further extend it to your M point, median point. Now come place it here, further extend till there you're recording the true length now, which is this one. Now you come and place it to D, then you strike an arc to the, now you bisect that arc that you just got, so that, which means now there is your point 4. So you know that point 4 is the same, is in line with what, with point 1. So which means what you did here, you come and do it this side, which means this side, pull your camera like this, there you get, you understand? So from there, so this one is going to be a point 1. So now you can erase it. Now it's too long, just erase it. So where they are bisecting each other, that's your point 1. So there you go, and there you go. So that's my point 1. So what you did to this side, you'll be doing it to this side. So from here till there, and from here till there. You understand? So I can also have an imaginary line that's gonna be like this, and another one that's gonna be like this, that will support these points. of mine. Understand? So from there, what are we going to have? We are going to have now this one. This one, check this. We do have point B and C, D and A. We do have point 2, 3, 1 and 4. So now we are going to place your compass from here, from point, place it at point A to your X first, the bottom part, A to of X, A to X, which is this one. Then you know that the distance of A to my X is the same as D to my X. Understand? So which means I can place it here and strike an arc here. Let me erase this one, that it don't interfere to my development. D, strike an arc even there by your A. Also do the same thing, place it at my A, then I strike an arc like this. So go back to your top view. After you've gotten that one, A to X. So what do we have? We've got 4D. We are looking for X. So have marginal line. Again, that's going to be like this. You understand? So now place your drawing compass at point 4 to point X that you're looking for. Remember, 4 is what you have, isn't it? So point 4 to X is this one. Then now convert it from here, R, which is this one, very close, isn't it? Now place it here, there you go. Then now you come and place it at your 4, there by your development, you place it at your 4, then you bisect that arc of yours. Understand? So which means you see that what I've erased, it has this step. So come back and so that you get the proper thing. So this one is my X now. So I join it. There you go. So I can erase this one now, and here I go. So this development is actually upside down. I like it to look straight up, but it's still correct, still on the same thing. So now we've gotten dx, which is this one there by your top view, dx. So now we have to get 4x so that xx, you understand? So to get that, place your drawing compass at 4, of which is what you have, isn't it? So to the point that you're looking for, which is x, this one, now convert it to your true length, mark it there. This one is going to be a 4x. Then take it to your endpoint. There you go. Right. Then now I come and record